one of my supporters. See it here? Oh. Yes, so I'm gonna go home and fix it up still. No, fix it. Just check. What's your bag of cup? Never get out of it. All I know? Okay. I like it. It feels better than the one I had before. How I got it. Let's make another fluid. What's up into it?
No come with a manual.
Something is wrong. Voila. So look like the one I already have. This look a bit thicker than the one I have. Something wrong. Alright. See the other part. Guys, if you don't know, in my previous videos, I'm like, I don't have the ring light. This thicker than the one I already have before. I love it. I'm like, right here, so looks, oh my, it's different. When I go home, I'm going to take a video and show you the one I already have before. Right here, so look more stronger. Yes, and it more thicker. Come here, friend. Come. It's more thicker than the one I already have. It look more strong. You see right? My one, it have one little piece of something with all of the phone in it, but it pop out every minute. But this, it's inside of the thing and it's more thicker. I love it. Thank you. Yes, but when we go home, I'll fix it up still. But this is it, guys. I love it. Yes.
So this is the computer?
In our plug. I'm going to
come with the own adapter?
No. Yeah, but maybe I say it's a pop-up, but this.
That's true.
Yeah. This will go in like that. Something like that. Yeah. So guys.
So let's try back.
I was so excited it fell. Hear me attack them, my ring light mash up. Every time I come in a video, I say, I'm not a ring light. I'll see you when I get home, guys. Thank you again. Thank you.
You're welcome.
They will know. This is the ring light I had before. Y'all can watch my previous video, and that's when I just started my channel. I was at its titled Things You Will Need When Starting a YouTube Channel, and I was showing how I connected this ring light and stuff like that. Y'all can go back and watch that video. Guys, I came home and I was so tired right now. It's late in the night. I was so tired after I come from work. I said I was going to just go into this video to unbox the ring light. But yeah, girl, I don't know what happened. I'm knocked out. What is wrong with this? Guys, my earphone plug. My earphone literally stuck in the ring light. What kind of cross is this another night, yeah? Today's post notification shout out goes out to Gamers Faction, home of old gaming. Make sure you go over his channel and subscribe. Get him to that 1K soon as possible. Let him know that Nekibu sent you, guys. If you're interested in a gaming, you're going to check him out. Go ahead and check out his channel, please. Link will be in the description box below. Alright, guys. This is still working, you know. It's just that it pop up. I mean, I fear all sorts of things to make it work. As a job, it have shots. Sometimes it flick out and flick in back and it now understand. So this, it has a screw. This screw here, if you see there, Alright, so the screw, you would put the screw in, then twist this in it. But seeing that it's so fragile and right here, so the pop off quite fragile. The screw, every time I screw it in, it drop out back. Sometimes I have make my video and I just see it fly off on me. So now the one I'm gonna get here, but I would say it's a bit stronger. It is because the feeling, just the feeling alone tell you say it better. This is flimsy and this is thick. That's the same size. Wow, it's the same size. It is the same size. However, this more thicker, more firmer. Let me turn off the light. I want y'all to see the difference. Alright. Look. See? This thicker. Now, I will set up this. Thanks again, clean, for this. Yes, yeah. You don't know how much it means to me. But this, alright. This is it. Oh, and the ones that come with this, all of them last me. No. Oh, see one then. Right here. What the right here, so see screw there? Yeah. Look at the difference now. Wait, let me take your time. Not this, I'll feel more firmer. Okay. So now try use this as a look light for it tonight. Put it on top of this. So how y'all doing? Alright, so all you do is screw it in and not fly out. Nothing not flying out like the other one. The other one you have to screw much. Yo, me I gotta cherish this. You see this? This is my baby. Ooh. This is my, when I say baby, I say baby, this is my baby. Alright, so we're done with the top. We're done with the top. I'm gonna do the bottom part now. Hot guys. So just like the other one, this for screw on, right? So the thing with this now, you know, have the little piece. Let me show you a little piece of screw where you screw on pan this, and then you screw on this pan something else. See that? That screw here. And once one of them last, you know, say that gone, you know. So now all I gotta do is just screw it in. See that? Just one screw enough. Put on a piece of no, that not gonna work. See there? Simple. Watch nice. Oh God. Let me fix this down. Oh. How did I say this today when maybe I put it in? Why let this I drop down so? I wonder if it's so while this last year. I wonder if I screw it. Understand this. What is this? Something not all I'm on this like this. This can't work. And also, this can never be like this. What is this? Something happened. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. I don't know. But so, what's why this time I look bigger than the other one to us? This one look more firm, man. Come on, come on, wrong. Come on, wrong. You know, so this was cool and pan the other part. Yeah. Fine, so. But something is wrong with this. push this. So, but this can be. This can never be. This could never be. Alright, so the old one here. This no, it's the same. This. This will come down. This will so. Yeah. I don't think I have the other one. Yes. Alright. Oh. Yes. Yeah. So now guys, let's put this in this. Look on that one. I'll be a screw and screw up up. But this one screw go around like this. You don't know, I'm excited. You'll ever know I'm excited for this. Oh my god. Let's turn it on, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. So just like the other one, I 3 different colors. So guys, when I can't see my black again, when I can't see my black and ugly, I'm a brown, I'm a nice, I'm a clean, I'm a shine with my sweaty body. You can't start me right now, cause right now I'm going to put up ring lights. Yeah. I'm a good supporter. Give me what you talk about. What I talk about? What you talk about? What you talk about? You see me? You see me? No. What you talk about? So, spam the comment section. Thanks, Colleen. I feel so glad. And guys, if y'all been my subscriber for a long time, from day one down to earth, I respect you, love you all, and prepare for what's coming next. I have my ring light.